Dear viewers, here good morning to all of you. Welcome to Vedavyasa Academy. Here now we are discussing about trigonometric ratios, JEE main and advanced MCQ type questions, multiple choice or multiple answers type questions. Okay, this is the one of the important type of questions in JEE advanced and JEE mains. So here we have given if 7 cos x minus 24 sin x is equal to lambda cos of x plus alpha 0 less than alpha less than pi by 2 be true for all x belongs to R, then lambda is equal to 25, b alpha is equal to sin inverse by 24 by 25, c lambda is equal to minus 25, d alpha is equal to cos inverse of 25. You observe here, this is the one of the important problem, and so we have the given equation. What is the given equation? 7 into cos x minus 24 sin x is equal to lambda of cos of x plus alpha. Here we know the 7 square plus 24 square is equal to 25 square. 7 square plus 24 square is equal to 25 square. In right angle triangle, this is, you take this as 7, this as 24 and 25. This is alpha. Then what is cos alpha? Cos alpha is equal to 7 by 25 and sin alpha is equal to 24 by 25. Then you have to multiply and divide with 25. So 7 cos x minus 24 sin x by 25 is equal to lambda into cos of x plus alpha. So we have to write this as 25 of 7 by 25 into cos x minus 24 by 25 sin x is equal to lambda into cos of x plus alpha. So this is what this is. You can write this as, this is 25 into 7 by 25 is equal to what? Cos alpha. So cos alpha into cos x minus sin alpha into sin x is equal to lambda into cos of alpha plus x or x plus alpha. Anyway, so this is in the form of cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is equal to what? Cos of A plus B. Cos of A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is equal to cos of A plus B. Then we have to write, this is 25 into cos of alpha plus x is equal to lambda cos of x plus alpha. So 25 into cos of x plus alpha is equal to lambda cos of x plus alpha. By compiling these two, so what is lambda? Lambda is equal to 25. So we have the option A is the answer. And one more options are given. Alpha is equal to sin inverse 25 and alpha is equal to cos inverse 7 by 25. Lambda is equal to minus 25. So lambda value already we have to find it. So this is wrong answer. So here what is cos alpha? Cos alpha is equal to, we take as 7 by 25, then cos inverse of 7 by 25. Sin alpha is equal to what? 24 by 25. This one. Then what is alpha? Alpha is equal to sin inverse of 24 by 25 is the answer. So here alpha is equal to sin inverse of 24 by 25 and alpha is equal to cos inverse of 7 by 25 is the answer. So A, B, D are the answers. Okay, all of you. That's all. Here one more problem on trigonometric ratios. Let y is equal to sin square x plus cos power 4x. Then for all real value of x, A, option A, the maximum value of y is 2. The minimum, option B, the minimum value of y is 3/4. Option C, y less than or equal to 1. Option D, y greater than or equal to 1/4. This is the problem given. So how to solve this? We are given y is equal to sin square x plus cos power 4x. So you take this one, y is equal to sin square x plus cos power 4x. This y is equal to, this can be written as, we know that sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. First identity, sin square x is equal to what? 1 minus cos square x. So 1 minus cos square x plus cos power 4x. So y is equal to 1 minus cos square x as common, 1 minus cos square x. But 1 minus cos square x is equal to what? Sin square x. So y is equal to, this is cos square x into sin square x. This can be written as y is equal to 1 minus 4 into 1/4 into 4 into sin square x into cos square x. Okay. So y is equal to 1 minus 1/4 into, this is 2 sin x cos x whole square. But what is this one? Y is equal to 1 minus 1/4 into, this is 2 sin x cos x is equal to what? Sin 2x formula. 2 sin x cos x is equal to sin 2x. So sin 2x whole square. So y is equal to 1 minus 1/4 into sin square 2x. This can be also written y is equal to 1 minus 1/8 into 2 sin square 2x. 2 sin square 2x. So generally 2 sin square x is equal to what? 1 minus cos 2x. So 1 minus cos 2x. Then you have to write y is equal to 1 minus 1/8 into 1 minus cos of 4x. 2 into 2x. This is sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. So what is y is equal to 1 minus 1/8 minus into minus plus 1/8 cos 4x is equal to, this is 7/8 plus 1/8 cos 4x. We know that cos 4x minus 1 less than or equal to cos 4x less than or equal to 1. Minus 1/8 less than or equal to 1/8 cos 4x less than or equal to 1/8. Then after add 7/8 on both sides. 7/8 minus 1/8 less than or equal to 7/8 plus 1/8 cos 4x less than or equal to 7/8 plus 1/8. But what is the value of this one? 6/8, that is 3/4 less than or equal to 7/8 plus 1/8, 7/8. Y is equal to 7/8 plus 1/8 cos. So this is y less than or equal to 8/8. 8 is LCM, 7 plus 1, 8/8 is equal to 1. Is equal to 3/4 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 1. So in this you observe here, what is y? The minimum value of y is 3/4. So the minimum value of y is 3/4. This is the minimum value. Maximum value y less than or equal to 1. Here y less than or equal to 1 is given. Okay. So 3/4 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 1. This is the minimum value. This is the maximum value. So we have the options. Correct answers are B, C are the correct options. Okay, all of you. That's all.